Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by installing and launching 3utools with administrator rights so permissions aren't a problem. Once done, connect the iPhone using the original USB cable, unlock the device, and tap Trust when prompted. This lets 3utools read battery data. Make sure to run a quick backup inside 3utools first to preserve settings and photos. These steps prevent data loss and allow safe access to diagnostic tools, so don't skip the backup before moving to battery maintenance. Now you'll analyze and act. Open Toolbox, select iDevice, then Battery Info to read maximum capacity, cycle count, and voltage. These values tell you whether calibration or firmware action is needed. If 3utools offers a repair battery or recalibrate option, run it and carefully follow prompts. These operations adjust reporting and can resolve incorrect health percentages. Make sure to perform actions one at a time and wait for each step to finish. Interrupting a firmware or recalibration step can leave readings inconsistent. Finish by rebooting the iPhone and reopening Battery Info to verify updated maximum capacity and cycle count. You should see corrected reporting if calibration succeeded. If 3utools change settings you didn't expect, restore your quick backup to recover them. And if values still look wrong, make sure to try a different certified USB cable and port, then rerun the calibration once more. Hardware connection issues are a common culprit, so swap cables before assuming the battery itself is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.